Hey guys, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Chris, and today we have here a beautiful 2026 220i finished in skyscraper grey. It also comes with the M Sport Pro Pack as well. Now, as we head to the wheels, we have upgraded M Sport wheels with your red M Sport brake calipers. To the front here, this one has your light up kidney grille, which is a very nice option. We have your M Sport bumper as well. To the side here we have your BMW LED adaptive headlights, finished in shadow line. So with the shadow line, the window trims come in high gloss black as well. We have your rear privacy glass here at the back. We have the M4 styling spoiler. As well as that, we have your automatic boot opening function. Now, in here we actually have a lot of storage, as well as some extra storage compartment here in the undercarriage. Now, as we head into the rear interior of the car, we have the seats finished with M Sport styling stitching. We have the Isofix child safety support system, and then we have some charging ports here in the back too, and some extra storage space on your left hand side and your right hand side passenger doors. So we're now in the front driver's seat of the vehicle. Ahead of me we have your M Sport leather steering wheel. This steering wheel comes with 2 sport adaptive paddle shifters. We have your cruise controls on your left hand side, your media controls on your right hand side. Ahead of the speedometer we have your M Sport speedometer here. To the left here we have your main infotainment system. This is fully automatic touchscreen and comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Here is your navigation settings. Here is your media settings. Then of course your rear parking assist and rear parking camera. This car also comes spec'd with the 360 panoramic cameras. Now, as we head down from the main infotainment system, we have your climate control zones here. We have space for your phone and 2 cup holder space, as well as your charger ports. We have your gear and transmission here in the middle, and some extra storage here in the mid glove box. As well as that, this car also has your M Sport seats. Very nice. This 220i is available for purchase across our various car selling websites. All of our BMW approved and used cars come with a standard 2-year warranty. If you guys have any more questions or queries and want to book a test drive, please feel free to reach out to us here at Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Chris. Thanks for watching today. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.